Now this time, I will show to you the formula that I have created. And it's very easy. S sub n is equal to R times last term minus A sum 1 all over R minus 1. So we will just need to look for the first term, the common ratio, and the last term of a sequence. Okay, let's try an example. The same problem. Find the sum, the first 5 terms, 4, 12, 36, and 108. So, as you can see, our first term here is 4, and there are only four terms, and the last 5 terms, but so we don't have the fifth term. So first we will look for the fifth term. So since the common ratio is R, so we will just multiply to get R A sub 5. We'll just multiply the common ratio by the fourth term, which is 108. So 108 times 3 is 324. Now we have the fifth term by about 324. Now let's set up an equation. So S sub n is equal to R times last term minus A sub 1 all over R minus 1. So it's equal to the common ratio is 3. The last term here is 224. So 3 times 224, 972. Then minus A sub 1 of the first term, which is 4. So 972 minus 4, this is 968. Then we will divide it by the difference between the common ratio and 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Now 968 divided by 2 is equal to 484, which has exactly the same answer with the previous solution. See, it's simple. Okay, now let's try another problem. Find the sum of the geometric sequence where A sub 1 is equal to 3, last term is 168, and R is equal to 4. In this case, we don't have the number of terms, which is very necessary for the formula S sub 1 is equal to A sub 1 times 1 minus R raised to n over 1 minus R. Therefore, we can no longer use this formula, and instead we will stick the formula I have created. S sub n is equal to R times last term minus A sub 1 all over R minus 1. Okay, and also there are other cases which is given are only the fifth, the third, or the second term and the common ratio. In that case, don't use this formula. Okay, now let's solve the problem. S sub n is equal to R times last term minus A sub 1 all over R minus 1. So common ratio, so here it's couple, it's 4 times the last term, 768. After we get the product of 4 and 768, we will subtract this from the first term, which is 3. Then divide it by difference between the common ratio, which is 4 and 1. So 4 times 768, it's 3072 minus 3 all over 4 minus 1 is 3. 3072 minus 3 is about 3069. divided by 3. Simplifying, 3069 and 3. So 3069 divided by 3 is about 1023. Now this is the sum.